Today we are going to discuss what is data structures. From the name itself we can say structuring the data, meaning organizing the data and memory is what called as data structures. Simply, I'll tell you a story. If we keep things randomly in a room means when we search for it, we'll feel very difficult to take it back. Technically speaking, retrieval will be difficult. Similarly, if we place the data in order in memory, retrieval will be easy. For that, we want data structures concept. There are two types of data structures. One is primitive, the other one is non-primitive. Primitive data structures are nothing but primitive data types. They are int, float, character, double, pointer. They hold values. In non-primitive data structures, it is again divided into two. One is linear, the other one is non-linear. Data arranged in sequential way is called as linear data structures, and data arranged in a random way is called as non-linear data structures. Types of linear data structures are arrays, list, stack, and queue. Types of non-linear data structures are trees and graphs. Trees is again divided into binary tree and binary search tree, that and all we'll discuss it later. Arrays are sequential, that is elements are stored contiguously in memory is what called as arrays. In list we have singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circularly linked list. Stack is last in first out. Example I can say is tiffin box carrier. While packing up the tiffin box carrier, first rice is placed, second soup, and then last is potato. For example, this is while packing I am saying. But while opening the tiffin box, we will find potato at the top, which is actually placed last while packing. Then the soup and then the rice. This is called as LIFO, that is stack follows last in first out principle. Technically speaking, we can take Google History tab as an example. I hope you are clear with the stacks. Then the other type of linear data structure is queue. It follows first in first out. Example, ticket counter can be said. Those who come early will get tickets in the theaters. The other is any online shopping websites. Those who make order first can get that product. The non-linear are trees and grass, and it all we'll discuss it in the upcoming videos. I hope you are all clear with the data structures introduction. Follow the videos, practice, you'll find it easier. Thank you, take care, bye bye.